My main reflection on 2021 is that while there's one financial bottom line, there are multiple social and environmental bottom lines, and they're all interlinked. Like a house of cards, tripping over one ecological red line may bring the whole thing crashing down. And so we need holistic responses to the issues of the day. The COP26 talks in Glasgow started to explore this, but it is important to note that a focus on just net zero carbon, for example, is not enough. At Biotecture, we feel really fortunate to be able to provide part of the holistic response needed. Our passion for reconnecting people with nature is stronger than ever, and our living walls deliver so many ecological, social and environmental sustainability benefits right in the heart of our cities. It's been a strange year, to say the least, but we've loved working in tune both with nature and with our clients. And I'm so proud of all the people at Biotecture and the quality of our work. Our living walls continue to look great because of the diligence and care taken by our maintenance teams. This has been wonderfully recognised with a number of awards, including one for the best horticultural display in the City of London for 2021. That particular award went to one of several projects that reached their 10-year anniversaries this year. We installed them a decade ago, we continue to look after them now, and they're still winning awards. And this year, we've launched also our new cleverly simple living hoarding system to help to green up construction and provide benefits to clients, contractors, local communities and the environment. Only last week we received an amazing endorsement from a local residents association via the developer, who said that literally every household in the street had contacted them to pass on their thanks that they now have an outlook of a wall of plants as a boundary to a long-term construction site rather than a metal fence or timber hoarding. As part of our holistic response, we've decided that from this year on we're going to pledge 1% of our ongoing revenue to the environmental charity 1% for the Planet. We've appointed a sustainability director to help to set us on the right course. And we're also really excited to have a new head of sales, Tom Ward. Tom is passionate about what we do and is looking forward to spreading the word on the multitude of interlinked benefits that green infrastructure will bring to any sustainable development or urban regeneration project. And so as we pause for what I hope will be a peaceful Christmas for all, can I encourage you to take this time to reflect, remember those in our communities less fortunate than ourselves, and help to bring some good cheer where you can. And then in 2022, we look forward to working with you as we continue on our mission to re-green the world for the good of people and planet.